welcome back to my channel. This is Chrysler Grand Voyager 2008. I'll show you how to remove factory radio, and then we will install 7-inch Android navigation for that model. Okay, let's check. Steering wheel controls works. Okay. Okay. We have to start with removing this little plastic, and in the other side. Okay, unscrew the bolts. Okay, carefully. Pull. Okay. There is two bolts in the back here. And in the other side. Okay. Then these two bolts, screws, bolts. It looks like a bolt, but it's screw. And the next one. Okay. Now we can pull the console. Okay. Then we have 4 bolts for the radio. Okay, and the last one. Okay. pull the radio. Okay. Unplug the cables. Antenna and also cables. Okay. This is the factory radio. And then what we have in the complex of the Android: warranty card, 36 mounts, our clients from Car Media Bulgaria, user menu. Okay, cables, CAN boost decoder, antenna cable. Okay. First we have to check the cables, which is the right model. I think is this one. No, it's not this one. We need other cable configuration. Maybe we need this one. Speakers are directly here. CAN communication. I think it's this one. Let's take a voltmeter to check the power supply. Then we'll put the CAN boost and check everything. Okay. We have 12 volt constant. Okay, power supply is fine. CAN communication looks right. I'll put the CAN boost decoder. This model is looks like a simple soft. Accessories 4G GPS antenna and our outputs and other outputs. Output for the camera, input for the camera, parking, and 4G reader for the card with internet. Camera in the complete. And 7-inch special navigation for here. Okay. This model is with 6 GB RAM, 64 GB internal storage. Put the power. And radio antenna. Let's check, is everything okay? Put the key on ignition. Okay, navigation is started. That means CAN boost decoder is working, because there's no ACC in this car. CAN boost decoder makes the ACC for the starting Android. Okay. Navigation is working. We have illumination of the buttons. Okay. Steering wheel controls is working. Mode button is working. Changing station is working. Everything's fine. Let's check is it working. Switching for the rear parking camera. Yes, it's working. We will install. We will install parking camera. That's it from us. If you have any questions, write a comment. I will answer. Thanks for watching. See you again in next video. Subscribe to the channel. That is helping us. Thank you again. See you.